What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're going to be going over the best 30 tips and tricks for your OnePlus 10 Pro 5G. We have researched and tested many tips and tricks, and in this video we have reviewed the best ones just for you. So let's begin with the video now. Welcome to Search Tech. Our mission is to help you get the most out of your tech through reviews and tutorials. If that is something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when we release a new video. And there's going to be useful links below in the description covering everything that we discuss in this video. With that being said, let's get right into it. So first up, we're going to have the always on display. So OnePlus 10 Pro comes with a Super AMOLED display, so you got the always on display in this phone. To set up this, go to your settings and then you're gonna head to personalization. Then you're gonna go always on ambient display. After that, set it to all day, and now it will be visible all day on your OnePlus device. Then we're gonna have customize AOD, which is the always on display. So to customize your always on display, go once again to your settings. Then you're going to go to personalization and clock on ambient display. From here you can choose the type of clock you want on the always on display. In a new feature, you can also get the weather information on the ambient display. And then on the third spot, we're going to have the fingerprint animation. And if you again go to settings, then you head to password and security, then fingerprint, you will get a fingerprint animation option. Tap to open it, and now from here you can choose the type of animation you want while you put your finger on the fingerprint sensor. And then we're gonna have horizon lights. The other feature you got in the display personalization settings is horizon lights, which is also known as edge lighting. In this, when you got a notification, then the edge will light up. You can customize the different colors of notifications lights in the OnePlus 10 Pro. So once again, go to your settings, head to personalization, and then scroll down until you see horizon lights. On place number 5, we have canvas, and in OnePlus 10 Pro the setting style is based on ColorOS, so we don't have a direct option for the canvas, but you can use it by going to the settings. Then you're going to go to personalization and select the canvas right here in the corner. You're going to tap on it and you can set any image here and it will appear as animation while AOD is on. Next, we're going to have the customization of the icon style. And to customize the icon style in your OnePlus 10 Pro, again, go to Settings, Personalization, Icon Style. Here you will get the default circular icons of Oxygen OS, and you can change it to the Hydrogen icon pack, and by that, you'll get the rectangular icon shape. You can also customize the accent color, and below the icon style you get the option of colors. You're going to tap to open its settings, and from here you can change things like which color you want to see in the toggle. On place number 8, we have changed the font and display size, and if you don't feel comfortable with your current font and display size, then you can also change it by tapping in the font and display size option next to the color option. Here, as you can tell, you're going to have the options to customize them. Next, we're going to have screen of gestures, and in the convenience tools in settings, you also get gesture and motion support. In the screen of gesture, you can use a feature like double tap to wake up, draw to open a particular task, and even more. An easy way to get this, basically just go to your settings and on the search bar you can type screen of gestures and it's going to be right there. Now on place number 10, we're going to have Wi-Fi Tethering, and in the OnePlus 10 Pro you also got the option of Wi-Fi Tethering. Sometimes this is not available on the OnePlus phones, and with the help of this feature, Wi-Fi and hotspot work together. You can share your Wi-Fi with other people when you don't want to share passwords. Next up, we're going to have the video enhancements, and if you go to settings and head to display and brightness, then here you will see the option of video enhancement engine. In this, if you turn on the toggle next to the video color enhancer, then it will turn your normal SDR video to HDR. It increases the color quality of videos you're watching on your OnePlus phone. Now we are also going to have the swipe down function, and in every new OnePlus phone, when you swipe down on the home screen, then you will get the OnePlus shelf. If you like this feature, then it's alright, but if you don't, then you can easily change it. For that, long press at the home screen and go to Home Settings. Then you're gonna tap on Swipe down to Access and choose Notification and Quick Settings and then save it. Now when you swipe down on the home screen, then you can control the notification panel from there. Now we're gonna have the double tap to lock, and in this device, if you want to lock your phone by double tapping on the home screen, then again long press at the home screen and go to the Home Settings and find the double tap to lock toggle and enable it. Then we're gonna have the home and launcher layout, and to increase or decrease the number of apps on the home screen, long press the home screen and go to the Home Settings and select Home Screen Layout. Here you can change the grid style, change the size of the icon, and remove the name of the icon as well. Now middle of the road, number 15, we're gonna have expanded screenshot, and if you go to Settings, System, and then Screenshot, then here you get some more features for the screenshot. Like for example, use 3 fingers to take a screenshot, 3 fingers touch and hold when you take a normal screenshot, then below that you'll get a scroll option by which you can expand the screenshot. Now we're gonna have the hidden space for apps, and on OnePlus 10 Pro you can also hide your apps if you want by using the hidden space feature in 2 ways. In first, if you pinch outwards on your home screen, and in the second way, swipe up your app drawer and then swipe right and go to your hidden space. Now tap on the plus icon in the corner to add apps to it, and by tapping on the 3 dots you can enable password protections to hidden apps. On place number 17, we're going to have the quick launch gesture, and for this you're going to go to Settings, then you're going to go on Password and Security, Fingerprint, and Quick Launch. In the quick launch, if you long press on the fingerprint sensor after unlocking, then you can perform some action here and you can customize what shortcut you want here. For example, open up the Google Assistant or open any app. Now we're going to have the screen recorder, and you can also get a very high quality inbuilt screen recorder on the phone. For this, drop down the quick settings shade and swipe across the second sheet and you will see the screen recorder. Tap on it and then a tiny floating button is going to appear, and now you can start the recording of your screen by tapping on the red button. On place number 19, we're going to have the system-wide dark mode. From the control center, you can also access the dark mode on this phone. Just tap on it and the application that supports the dark mode in your device will automatically get converted to dark mode. Now we're going to have the Zen mode, or also known as focus mode. And Zen mode is also known as focus mode. It is used when you want to focus on something and want to keep away the distractions from your device. Go to the control center once again and you will see the focus mode named Zen mode. Tap on it and set up the time and tap on Let's Go. Next up, we're going to have the work-life balance, and this is another feature that is available in the control center. By this, you can choose the apps that you use during your working hour and apps that you use during non-working hours. After setup, then the working apps are not going to distract you while you're enjoying life, and the personal apps not going to interfere with you while you are at work. Now, depending on your location, things automatically get changed. You can also activate it by going to your settings and scrolling down until you see special features. Here you will have the work-life balance. Next up, we're going to have multiple users, and if you want to create multiple users on your phone, then this feature is very helpful. To use it, go to the settings, go to users and account, and then multiple users. Here you can set up your phone in a way that 2 people can use it and keep their data separate. On spot number 23, we're going to have parallel apps, and if you want to use the dual apps, then you get the parallel apps to feature for that. To enable it, go to settings, apps, and then app cloner. This helps to run 2 versions of the same app, so if you're using WhatsApp, then by using this, you can make a clone of that and you'll be able to use 2 WhatsApp accounts on your device. Then we're going to have number 24, which is dual channel acceleration. This is an amazing feature by which you can accelerate your internet speed by using your Wi-Fi and cellular data at the same time. To enable it, go to settings, then go on the Wi-Fi window, and then you will see Wi-Fi Assistant. You're going to tap on it and toggle on the dual channel acceleration. Although it's not available for every app, here you will get the list of all supported apps. Now on place number 25, we're going to have the customization of the screen color. And if you go again to settings and display and brightness and then screen color mode, there are 2 color modes for users to choose from. We're going to have vivid and then gentle. The vivid color mode is based on the DCI-P3 color range, while the gentle mode represents sRGB colors. Then we're going to have number 26, which is eye comfort, and this will give you a yellow tint to your screen, which is very helpful while you're using your phone at nighttime or using it for a long time for study purposes. To enable it, go to your settings, head to display and brightness, and then eye comfort. From here, you can customize it the way you want. Then on place number 27, we're going to have refresh rate, and to change the refresh rate in the OnePlus 10 Pro, go to settings, then head to display and brightness. Then you're going to go on more and screen refresh rate. From here, you can change the refresh rate to 120 Hz. Now on to the last 3, we're going to have dual view video, and in camera app, if you go to more than here, you will get different types of modes. The dual view mode is helpful if you want to use the front camera and rear camera at the same time. You should know though that the ultra wide mode won't be available for use in the rear camera. Then on place number 29, we're going to have movie mode, and another feature you got in the more section is movie mode. This is basically like a pro mode for video, which is a very useful option. And then last but not least, we're going to have the 150-degree camera mode. One of the most intriguing new features of the OnePlus 10 Pro is the 150-degree camera view. The new feature is soon to deliver bright, colorful, and exciting photos with a strong HDR effect on most of them. And I do say that you should experience with the 150-degree camera mode by shooting in portrait rather than landscape orientation. Once again, to enable it, just go to your camera and swipe through the right side to get to the more option. Then tap on 150. If you want to use it more often, you can always press and hold and then drag it to the bottom of the display so it's always ready for action. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and also leave a comment down below on what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.